Hey guys, and welcome back to Daily Courses. So in our last video, we have talked about forms. It was forms part 1. If you haven't watched that video, make sure to watch that video before you come here, because in that video we have talked about form tags, we have talked about label tags, we have talked about input, password, email, etc. And in today's video, we will be continuing in that rhythm as well. So as usual, we make template. Here we will say form 2, and we're gonna open it on live server. Let's bring our website over here. So as we have talked about form in the last video, is write form and it will open a form tag. Action is for post, get, and set. We are not using it currently. After that, we're gonna say, let's say a div to write a label. Let's div for right now and say favorite color. Okay, and here we're gonna do the same thing. We will know what for. As you have said, for is used to connect the label with the data input, whether it's paragraphs, whether it's options that we'll be taking currently. So let's see. As you can see, it's here. Now what we will be doing is a new tag called select name and ID. So the name will be favorite color, while the ID as well will be favorite color. But we are actually matching for with ID. Just for you guys, we're gonna open the select tag and we're gonna say options, the value and the text. So this is basically the behind the scenes value, and this is what the user sees. So we will take that option and you're gonna replicate it 4 times. You're gonna say green, and let's see what happens now. If you go to the website, as you can see, it has a pop-up menu. So as you can see, favorite color, it has drop down menu with all the items. You can select one. Basically, the value is what is sent to the backend. So this is a new thing that we haven't taken last video. Another one we have is comments. We say label. We just copied this over here. Okay. So now we have something called comments and this big line to make it look better. And we can say, so basically when, so basically when, so basically when you're writing a username, it is one line. But for comments or for some issues or problems or etc., we need a text area, a text field, a big one. So we have something called text area. Here we're going to say comments, name ID will be comments, and we will have a placeholder that will say enter your comments, and let's see what happens. As you can see, we have a placeholder that we can resize as well. We can give it a row and a column. Now you can see it is this much, but if we go again and we say 50, for example, as you can see, it's 50 rows. So this is also a very useful uh, label or very useful element that we can use. Lastly, we have button for those who haven't. So lastly, even though we have talked about it in the last video, we have to put it because every single form should have a button and submit. So we come here, we choose this, and then we submit it. As you can see, we have it over here. This is the back end. This is the value and not the actual items between those opening and closing tags. So that is it for today's video. Hope you guys liked it. Make sure to like, subscribe, and see you guys in the next one.